Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. As you can see from the title of our video that I'm gonna get a hair makeover today. And today we are at this salon and I'm really excited for today because the guy who does hair, he's an organic hairdresser and everything he uses is organic. So I'm really excited for my hair to feel healthy and nice again. And we are wearing masks today because of the situation we are in these days. We are following all the precautions and we are taking all the necessary steps that we need to be safe from the virus. So let's go in and get started.
Welcome. Nice to meet you. Let me clean your shoes, please. Okay. Hello, I'm Rafael and I am an organic hairdresser. I have been working with hairdresser for 10 years, but I decided to work with organic products since I think 3 years ago because I have been feeling in the world needs something healthy for me and for my customers. So I'm working now with products like that, made with organic stuff, organic ingredients, and this product could make good shapes in my customers. Yes, I can do better services, I can offer better services for my customers. So if you want to have your hair health, also your skin, your scalp, please call me, I'm here. We'll start with the haircut and then we will bleach your hair.
Okay.
Yes, because you need to take off this color, this dark color, yes. And then we will make some color in your hair, some beautiful color in your hair. Good for your skin color. And make some design, some style, some beautiful style for you, beautiful girl. Okay, and then we will finish with rebuilding. Okay, let's start with the haircut. Are you ready?
Yes?
Okay, let's do it. I'm gonna use a new frequent use shampoo. It's really good to wash every day. It's a shampoo with a lemon.
It smells so good.
Yeah, the scalp it's the most important part in our hair. Let's finish the haircut. Okay, when I'm doing a haircut, the divisions here it's really important. Yes, because I can see the proportions I need to have in your hair. So I make these divisions considering your face.
Oh, okay.
So if I want to make you a hair for make your hair more circle, yes, I need to have different divisions. So like I can use circle divisions. So, but it's not that I want to do today. Okay. Normally, I respect two parts in a haircut. The first part is to cut the hair. The second part is to make texture.
Yeah, so hard.
Okay, you're ready. Thank you. Nice to meet you today. Bye.
I look like Tere now.
I'll finish this haircut. Yes, at the end. But now we have something to start
I really love it.
our bleach.
I love it so much. And a brand new hair. Want to baby? That look good.
I will dry your hair now to start the bleach.
Okay.
Okay. I will start with 577.
I am so excited. Oh my gosh. I can finally have a purple hair. Oh, there's more.
Yeah, but not color.
Okay.
We'll do the rebuilding treatment. Okay.
Real. Oh my god. I love it. Look at this. Looks like my shirt. Oh.
Yes.
Wow. Oh my gosh. I love the color.
Me too. This is not heat. This is only light. It's only to move the hydration fastly, deeply.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's also from oil.
Oh wait, yes, that's the brand.
So after a very long time, I think we're almost at the end. This is almost the end, yeah. We put on some mask and we're gonna leave it for 5 minutes, and I think we're gonna wash it and then we will dry it and we'll be done. I'm really excited for the final review, how it's gonna look. But I already know that I love it so much.
Okay, we're done. See?
Yeah, it looks good. Even from behind. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Oh, oh, I like it. So guys, we are finally done with my hair. I really love it. I've always wanted a very beautiful purple hair and I finally got it. Thank you. Thank you so much, Rafael. I really love my hair.
Thank you. I love you. Thank you for trusting me.
Yeah, my hair actually feels so much better and it's healthier than when I first came in. So it feels really nice and soft. I wish everyone can touch my hair. It feels really smooth and I really love the haircut. I just showed him a picture from Facebook. I just like a haircut and then I just showed it to him and he got it exactly the way I wanted it. And I absolutely love my new hair, and so thank you so much. And all the products that were used today were organic, so if you are interested in that, I would highly recommend you to visit our dear friend Rafael in his salon. We will link his Instagram and then we will also link his address below, so you guys can come and do something with your hair from him.
Thank you.